Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vacpe Media. This is Paulomi. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 quick tips from Canva effects which can help you to bring your design to the next level and gain more attention in different social media platforms or wherever you wish to use it. So I hope you'll be enjoying this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's quickly get started. Today, number 1 tip would be Smart Mockup from Edit Image. I'm on my home page now, so I'll go to search and I will type Facebook post. I'll take a template, a blank one. Then I'll go to uploads. I will choose any of my pictures. Let's suppose I'm taking this picture. This is one of my favorite pictures. Now I will go to Edit Image and then I will go to Smart Mockups, okay, and I'm going to choose this one. As soon as I choose it, you'll find the magic happening. Look, the picture is inside the phone, so you need not to set it, it will automatically get captured. Okay, I'll just drag a little bit and there we go, apply, and it gets applied. So this is the final one. This is called Smart Mockup. You get different mockups. Like if I choose again, I go to Edit Image, I can show you. You just play around. There are different types of mockups, smartphones. Just play around. This is a nice option which Canva gives out of the box and make your templates and designs scale up to a different dimension. So try it out on your own. And let's quickly go to our next tip. My second tip would be Shadow Glow Effect from Edit Image. So now I'm going to make this glow effect by Duotone. So let's quickly take a new post and go to uploads. I'll take the exact same picture. I'll take my picture. I'll go to Edit Image. I'll go to background remover. I'll duplicate the photo. Again, I'll go to background remover. You can do it together as well. Now I will keep one photo aside and make another one little larger than the original size. Now I will go to Duotone. This is Duotone. See all. I take this Pomelo effect. I've taken the Pomelo effect. Now I will go, this is apply. Then I will go to adjustment. I will go to see all. Brightness I'll do a little bit more brighter, so I'll keep it -22. Contrast I'll make it 23. Saturation also a little more, like 13 is okay for me. And blur I will make it little bit blurry. So this is how it should be. I have taken 44. You can even make it more blurry if you want. Now I'm going to take this picture and fit it inside and make it little bigger as per my need, and position it in the right way so that it covers the back picture, the back one. And I will select the background. I will go to elements, or maybe I'll go to photograph. I will take nature. I have got so many. I have chosen this one, so I'm taking the same one. Right click on the picture, set image as background. I will select once again the background. I'll go to transparency and I'll keep it around 55 or 57 is okay with me. So this is the exact effect which you're seeing here, which is a glow effect by Duotone. Friends, I hope you are liking today's tutorial. If yes, then make sure you go to the top right hand side corner to the I button, and you will find other such videos and tutorials which I keep making from Canva effects, which Canva provides out of the box. So I hope you would be checking those out as well, but after finishing this video. So let's go forward and watch rest of this video. Today's last tip, or number 3 tip for the day, would be drop shadow effect on image from Edit Image. Next I'm going to make this drop shadow effect on image. So let's take one new page. I will grab one photograph, upload. If you have no photograph uploaded, you're supposed to go to upload media, and from here you can get access of your own drive. I have got my picture. I have taken it. I will go to edit image, background remover. This is a pro feature which comes with pro version of Canva, and this is a very useful feature which very often we use. So it's worthy to take Canva pro version because it makes your life much easier. So I've taken this. Now what you should do is edit image once again, and then I'll go to drop. Now I'll have to make it little larger. I will crop it. Now after clicking on the drop, I am supposed to go to these options. Now I will change this option as per my requirement. This is at the bottom right, which is offset. Bottom right, you can change in any direction. Bottom right is okay with me, so I'm keeping it as bottom right only. Now I will be changing the angle a little. There we go. Transparency, I don't want it to be so prominent, so I'll keep it 39 is okay with me. And if you wish, you can blur it, and I will change the color to sky blue. So I'll go to element once again, and I will be typing background. I can take any background, but preferably you should be taking any white background. So I have gone for unsuitable background. I'm going to use this one. So this is the final effect. So this is called drop shadow effect with image.
So how was it? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if yes, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and definitely give me your suggestions, your tips, advice in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I keep giving different tutorials on graphic designing, and if you already have subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the bell button and select all notification, and if possible, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for all your encouragement and support. Hope to see you on my next video. For today, I'm signing off. This is Poulomi. Stay safe, stay legendary.